Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate and I'm a designer and editor here at Sallie Tomato. Are you ready to unwrap day 20 of our Holiday Royale Advent Box? All right, let's see what day 20 says. This elegant accessory offers a pop of color and a classy look while complementing your outfit and bag. We'd love to see what you create. Use hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media. Everything you need is included in today's package. The pattern, an 1/8 yard cut of the beautiful rayon fabric, and the O-rings. Accessorize your purse or tote bag with a scarf made using our purse scarf pattern and the included rayon fabric, beautifully created for the Sallie Tomato Holiday Royale box. I think you're going to enjoy the simplicity of this project. You can choose to machine or hand sew the finishing. This project is sure to add style and flair to your purse, your tote. You may even choose to wear it yourself. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That way you'll always know when a new tutorial and video releases. Thanks for watching and have a great making day.